What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and today we are with a all-new product from Diode Dynamics, the Elite Series Fog Light. So as I mentioned, we are here with the Elite Series Fog Lamp, the newest product from Diode Dynamics, and what really sets this apart from a lot of their other product offerings, such as the SS3, is the OEM Plus finish. As you can see, it is very similar to the OEM Fog Lamp. However, it does have a lot more output than the OEM Fog Lamp. Something like this is going to be equivalent to an SS3 Sport model. So if you're interested in a little bit additional light output, but you still want to retain the OEM look, then the Elite Series Fog Lamp is for you. Installation for this product is very simple using the included harness. It does also feature a backlight. So if you want to tie this into your other backlit products, you can go ahead and do so, and it'll all be tied in with the whole system. All right, so to begin this installation, we are going to start by removing the factory fog light connector. Then we are going to disconnect these 4 bolts. Once your hardware is removed, simply remove the fog light. All right, now we're going to put our Elite Series fog lamp back in the factory fog lamp spot. And we are going to reattach it using the OEM hardware. So using the provided harness, you can see that this side right here is going to be your fog lamp operation, and this braided side is going to be for the backlight function. So what we're going to do is use the sticker side, plug it into the factory connector, then we're going to use our DT connector and plug it into the Elite Series fog lamp. All right, guys, that's going to wrap up the install video here of the Diode Dynamics Elite Series fog lamps. If you guys are interested in picking up a set for yourself, I'll go ahead and leave a link for that in the description below. If you guys like the video, be sure to smash that like button. If you want to see more content just like this, be sure you're subscribed and have that notification bell clicked. And if you got a comment, drop it below. Thanks for watching.